So the chicken soup base is the most popular flavor. Pretty much every kitchen do use some chicken soup base for any type of recipes. Today I'm talking about the LUDA H because this one is gluten-free, sodium reduced, and also there's no added MSG. The powder itself really got a nice balanced flavor of onion, celery, and chicken. As you can see, just adding some boiling water. The product dissolves really easily, and you have a nice chicken broth for your kitchen. I will now prepare a ramen broth. So I will bring to boil 2 liters of water. I will add some ginger, shiitake mushroom, onion, garlic, and some spicy pepper. Again, you can use them if you want or not. Using some tamarind sauce. It's like a fermented soya sauce. I'll use the chicken soup base powder in it. Red curry paste. And soybean paste. So I will bring all that together. I bring that to boil and let simmer for about 20 minutes. So here we are about 20 minutes later. So you can prepare your portion prior the lunch, just adding some noodle in it. And add some enoki mushroom, different type of bok choy, grilled chicken, some red pepper. I'll use some edamame beans. As you know, they're really good for your fiber too, including eggs or half or whole one. As you can see, they're black because I cooked them yesterday to let them marinate into soya sauce with ginger and garlic just to bring more flavor. Again, when it's tasty, you get more pleasure to eat and you eat a little bit more, so it's better for you. Most seniors, they don't eat enough. Then you strain that broth. And you don't really need to warm everything up prior because just your broth will warm everything up. It's really up to you. I feel like it's much nicer to present something like that with a nice presentation compared to boiling everything together in your pot. So you have a nice smiley broth. You can really create any type of broth. Adding more ginger, more spices, it's really up to you. And soups are really healthy and great during winter time. Can add some green onion on it. And you're ready to go. Enjoy. So in a frying pan, you can add just a touch of oil, butter, your onions, and some bleached potatoes. So I cooked them for about 5 minutes without boiling too much. So just a few minutes later, when you got your nice color, you can just sprinkle some dry chicken soup base as a seasoning, and you can also use it on directly in your plate to bring some flavor. There we go.